See it? See it in the eye. Hi guys! Welcome on my channel. Let's some slime.
Hi guys, today we're going to be unboxing another SlimyGloop Slime Kit. This one is make your own Sundae Slimygloop. Alright, let's see what's in there.
It's something. Take it out, let me see. Wow!
Okay then, hold on.
We need to paint the slime.
We're gonna make slime.
Make slime?
Yes.
Let me glue.
Okay, so we got some glue.
We got
That's
some
white
glue.
glue. We got
Glue.
sodium, whatever that is. We got a
And
stick.
stick to mix.
We got paint.
Pan. And
I don't know what this is. It says SlimyGloop Very Vanilla. I think that's a fragrance or something. We got a spoon and a mixing cup.
mixing cup.
We need a bowl.
Yeah.
We need a bowl. Got, hold on a
We got
minute, 3 extra containers, 3 cups of warm water,
warm water,
and the instructions.
instructions.
Okay, we also
Okay.
need 30 milliliters of water. Okay, let's
Okay.
see.
This.
That's done. Then we're going to add to those 3 cups of warm water. I'm gonna put this over here because it's hot. I'm going to bring the scissors. Okay. No, don't open that yet. We're doing this first.
Okay.
I'm gonna add 1 spoonful of this. One level spoonful.
Okay.
That's not too much.
Too much. Too
Just
much.
see. Okay, I'm gonna add that.
Okay. Need to mix it.
Wait, I'm gonna need something to put this. I'm gonna put this back in the container.
Mix it.
Don't, not that one. Use a spoon. Mix it up.
Okay, yes,
Be
sir.
careful.
I'm mixing
So we need
up.
to stir this until it dissolves.
I'm
Stir it.
doing all of it. Wow. I pour all of it.
Add the water.
Okay.
All of it.
Okay, mix it all. I need to mix.
Mix it now.
Okay, yes, sir. I'm mixing it.
Be gentle. Just mix it. That's not gonna be, it's not slimy. You just have to mix it.
It's taking too long.
We're gonna split it. I don't think we need a third bowl. I don't think we need this one, so I'm gonna put it over here. Let's separate these. cylindrical parts. What color is this one?
Pink.
You want to do the pink one first? Wait. Hold on. Alright,
I want pink.
we'll find one color. Up here. Okay. We're gonna do the pink first. Oh, this is go mix it. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, Christian, mix it. I don't think we need that much paint.
Pink. Okay, here goes the pink.
Need some more? Stir it first, let me see.
Oh, it's so high. Okay. Mix it. Give me some more.
You don't need any more, mix it.
Way, I'm mixing it. I'm making slime.
Let me help you. You see there's a lot of paint in here. How pink it is? Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to mix all the colors first. And then we're going to go back to making slime. Alright, now we're going to add the purple.
Purple.
I'm going to use the same stick because it's not that sticky. Here we go, hold it.
Okay, yes, sir.
Does this have glitter? This is purple. And it's taken for, okay, here we go. Ooh, it looks like chocolate. It's not purple, it's brown.
Oh,
It's brown, it's not purple.
what the heck?
It's chocolate.
Why?
It's strawberry chocolate. I need some glasses. I'm gonna mix it for you. It smells like chocolate.
Yeah. Maybe play with it and sell it.
Let me mix it up. Let me mix it up fast, fast, fast.
Stop.
This looks like chocolate ice cream. It does look like chocolate ice cream.
Don't eat it.
I'm not gonna eat it. Well, you shouldn't eat slime or glue. Okay. Alright.
Gosh.
Yes.
And go talking.
The time truck is talking. Tell him we're making slime. Tell him we should go away. We're making slime. This really
You
looks like
making
chocolate.
slime?
Okay, so
Stop it. Mommy.
we're gonna dump this
What?
into the
What is that?
solution.
Noodle?
Let me test it first. Hold on. We need to test it first. I'm testing it first. It's working.
It's slime.
Ew.
It's slime.
It
Slime.
is.
Okay.
Okay, so
I need
hold on.
to do it again.
Hold on. You're going to pour all of it in there.
Okay. Yes, sir. I'm going to pour all of it in here. Okay. Pour this brown.
I want to pour on. How many seconds? Okay.
Okay.
This should be a few seconds. Alright, that's it.
Okay.
Because we're gonna need some extra left in the bowl.
And
to make it.
pink.
Hold on.
1 minute.
You're supposed to stir this until the.
Need to
Wait. I have to do this part. Grown-ups have to do this part because the water is warm. I'm going with my hands. Ew, it's poop. Put it back in there. Ew.
Guys, it's poop.
Alright, we're supposed So wait. Where's the stick? Okay, we're supposed to mix this back in here. Stop.
Wait, it's slime.
Hold on. Let me mix it up.
Okay. Oh, it's doing crazy. It's crazy.
Okay. Hold on. Okay, so we have our chocolate slime down. Now we're gonna add some
Oh, I see
vanilla
it.
fragrance. Smell it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna drop it. You want me to drop it and you mix it, or you want to drop it and then you mix it? I'm gonna drop it. 1,
No.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How it overboard. And let me mix this up.
Mix it up by your hand. Make it chocolate.
I think I added too much vanilla fragrance. And that's the chocolate one. I'm gonna do the strawberry. Christian, let's do the strawberry one. That's the chocolate.
Ruby chocolate.
Scoopy chocolate.
Yeah.
All of it. One piece. All of it.
All of it.
And now let's do the
Where's
strawberry.
Where's the strawberry?
Just be patient.
This pink one.
Alright. Let's set that aside. I can see.
I see it.
Let's stir this around.
Whoa. Slime? There's a bubble slime? Oh, no way. Wow.
Alright, get that bowl. Bring that bowl over here. This one.
Oh my god, it's slimy. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy.
I want to get this over. I don't want to get too much water. Uh-oh.
Ew.
Okay, there we go.
Ew, it's poopy chocolate, poopy slime.
See if we got some more in there. Get all of it out.
Get off of me, poopy slime. Turn slime soon, B. This one
It's
turns
turning
slime.
slime soon.
This one is slime. See? You see it in the eye. Ew, there's poopy on me.
And there we go. We have our strawberry slime. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Oh my god! Good job!
And that's it for
Thank you!
make your own Sundae Slimygloop. You gonna make a Sundae for me? Slime.
Slime. Ew, poopy slime.
We made our own slime. Well, at least this was a kit. I wanted to make it from scratch.
Ew, that's the poopy slime. Well then, we make our poopy slime.
And our strawberry slime.
And our strawberry slime.
It's strawberry sundae. It's strawberry ice cream. This is cute. Unlike the cookie slime.
Right.
Fun making your slime. Alright. Those are yours. Let me see this one. This one looks like
No.
this one isn't as stretchy. I don't know why. Oh, it's stretchy. Uh-oh.
Get off of me! Get off of me! Get off me. Here, see. I'll wash my
gonna wash your hands?
Yes.
Alright, we have some containers. We're gonna store these in because we didn't get any containers. Because we don't want it to dry out.
Yeah.
And if it dries out, Christian is gonna be sad, sad, sad. Okay, I have some containers. I'll have to look for them, but I have them. Here, this is slime, sir.
Oh, really?
Okay, and we have more. The only thing we have more
We need the next
ingredients left over. The only thing we need is glue.
Okay.
So that's it, guys.
Slime.
See you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. You want them to smash the like button?
Smash the like button!
Bye.